my channel. It's your girl Flawless Nesha, and I'm back with another banger video. And today I'm going to be straightening my hair. We're gonna take these curls on a ride today. Alright, with a blow dryer and a flat iron, and we're gonna get lit. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe below and give this video a thumbs up. Alright guys, let's get to the video. Okay guys, so the blow dryer that I will be using today is this one. And I'll be using my brush. So first I need to section off my hair. Good thing I already combed it out in the shower. Yes ma'am, I was not about to struggle and do that, okay? I really just do it in 3 sections. I do each side and then the back. It works better for me. That's what works best for me. Okay. Mrs. Sally Walker walking down the street. She didn't know what to do, so she stepped in front of me. I said, hey, do your dance, now switch. Hey girl, do your dance, now switch. Alright, so we're gonna start with this side. Look at my curls, you guys. Just, I don't know. Alright, y'all. Oh yeah guys, so before I like to comb my hair out, I like to make sure that it is not damped or anything, because it's going to be hard for me to straighten if it's damped and to get the curls out. So I already put like the heat protection on there so my hair doesn't burn. Okay guys, see how my fingers can just go right through it, just straight through it. Nappy hoop, nappy wear. Okay, anyways, so now this is like a big piece of hair. So I split that in half. Then I take a hairpin. Back area so it doesn't get in the way. Now I have this piece. I split this again and put this down here so I don't get confused. So now we just have this piece in the front to do. So what you want to do is you start with the brush, brush it out. I tried to dry off my brush, but we're just gonna work with what we got. So you want to get your hair as straight as possible with the flat, not with the flat iron, with the blow dryer before you use the flat iron, so you don't have to use as much heat from the flat iron. So yeah. Alright. Gonna twist this up and go to the next piece of hair. Alright guys, this is my hair fully blown out. This is the length.
Kick off the new year with great deals during the Ram Start Something New sales event. Now current competitive pickup owners financing at $9,300 in total values on 2019 Ram 1500 big cap models with available e-torque engine. Total values include combined cash allowance and 20% package value. No trade-in required. Current pickup must be registered to consumer for 30 days prior to purchase to qualify.
This is the length.
Financing will qualify buyers for resident.
Alright guys, it's so hot in here. But alright, where do I go now? Anti-freeze straight. I put it on 450 to the highest. But it's not high yet, so. Ooh, it is hot. I lied. Okay guys, so I'm gonna go over it one more time with the flat iron. This is what we have right now. Okay, so let me go over it one more time and then I'll be back. Okay, Flawless Gang, so this is the finished look of my hair being flat ironed. My edges still here. I hope you guys enjoy my video as much as I did. It's about like 1 o'clock in the morning. I'm done though. So give this video a thumbs up and leave your lovely comments. Thank you guys so much for joining me. Have a great day, Flawless Gang. Bye. But wait guys, before I go, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Alright guys, bye gang.